Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a cheesy breakfast skillet, and I'll be starting off by mixing 1 cup of milk into 8 eggs. For the seasonings, I have 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half of a teaspoon of black pepper. Once these have all been whisked together, they can be set over to the side until later. Here at the stove, I've gone ahead and heated up my oven-safe skillet, and I'll be browning up 1 pound of breakfast sausage. Once the sausage is all browned up, it gets removed to a plate that's been lined with a paper towel to absorb any of the extra grease. In the same skillet, I'll be adding in 8 ounces of sliced white button mushrooms. Once the mushrooms are done cooking, it can be removed from the heat, and I'll be adding the sausage back in. It now gets topped off with the eggs that I mixed up earlier. And then roughly 4 cups of frozen tater tots. I'll be sprinkling 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese across the top. And now I'll finally be sprinkling on 2 sliced green onions. This is now ready to go into a 375-degree oven, where it's going to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the tater tots are cooked all the way through. Once I removed the cheesy egg skillet from the oven, I did allow it to sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. And then I've garnished it with just a little bit more of the fresh green onion. And now all I have left to do is try it out. I must say it smells incredible, so I can't wait to dive in here. I must say I really like this quite a bit. The bottom part of the tater tots is kind of melted down into the egg, so you get a little bit of like a creamy potato bite. But then you've got the crunchy tops that crisped up in the oven. Overall, this is an excellent dish. I think it could use just a tad bit more salt, but that's a personal preference. But this is definitely something I'm going to be making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you have enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Valker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.